Yeah, have you seen this thing? You saw this one?
No, I haven't actually.
So this is kind of reminiscent of the the Razer Hazel?
Yeah,
Project Hazel. This is the new age of high-tech masks. And this one's called the Super Mask with an X. And it's coming from Will.i.am, who you may know, the musical artist.
Yeah.
I guess he does doing clothes and products. He was at CES a couple of times launching certain things.
Oh, was he? Is he a tech guy?
I mean, he just was investing in companies as far as I remember. I think he had a smartwatch at one time that he was collaborating or launching. Anyway, he's showing off this mask, and I guess he's taking on, because Razer's going to make theirs, by the way.
Yeah.
And so he's going to take them on and have a cooler mask. What his mask has: LED lights, noise canceling earbuds. I don't think theirs has that. HEPA filters in there. I don't know if you want to have headphones inside of your mask. This one has them.
Okay.
It kind of looks like a VR headset.
Yeah, they're wired into the mask.
Yeah, but the mask is wireless, so you're gonna have to charge the whole thing up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the headphones themselves are wired only to the extent of the mask. It does have a Star Wars look to it.
Yeah.
What is it? Like a Tatooine or something? You know the troopers,
the Tusken Raiders, I believe.
Yeah, something like that.
Well, I want to.
No, I can't remember all these things, man. Now apparently he's in.
Yeah, these guys.
He's in. Okay, sure. All right. Yeah, maybe something like that. I don't know.
Inspiration.
He's in partnership with Honeywell, and they do all kinds of air purifiers. That's a real deal. So that's interesting. The mask has dual 3-speed fans for ventilation and replaceable HEPA filters that can be swapped out every 30 days. So you're gonna have to charge it up. Apparently, it's gonna go for sale April 8th at zupermask.com for $299 USD, shipping to the US, Canada, UK, and Europe. Should we pick one of these up or what?
Yeah, let's give it a shot.
Versus Super Mask versus Razer Mask. Who has the ultimate high-tech mask?
Yeah, headphones versus RGB.
And does the Razer Mask not have clear so you can read the lips too?
Does it?
I think so. Which, believe it or not, quite helpful. I think it does. Yeah, it does. You can see the girl straight on. See? You can see the mouth there.
Oh, that's really cool.
So that can be very useful. Oh, and you also have the case which sanitizes it with UV. So I don't know. It's a slightly different approach. I don't know if the Will.i.am product would have that in it, but we'll see.